They call it a fence post and tree puller. I bought it from Titan Attachments, and I tell you what, it works well. Now, the attachment, the tree pusher, it goes on top of it. I was so anxious to use it, I didn't put that on. And the stuff I was pulling was small little Yopine stuff, 2-3 inches in diameter, maybe 4 inches at the most. And it wasn't very tall, so when I get a break, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there, and it'll stay on there. It comes with these good reinforced hoses. All right, here I went in on a couple Yopines that was growing together and grabbed them, and I mean it came right out the ground. The key to this is you grab a hold to close your jaws down on it, go forward, go backwards, and keep up pressure on your front end bucket the whole time. Your front end loader, and they'll come right out the ground. Here I'm showing where I did rock it forward and backwards. That's the same one I just pulled out, but I got it from a view from the outside. You can see better how I went forward and backwards with it to make it come out the ground. And then this is a bunch of stuff, that's saplings and small stuff, anywhere from a half inch to 2-3 inches. I was growing around this oak tree. My daughter couldn't cut around it with her zero turn. I cleaned it up for her. And I mean, this thing's fun to operate. Go around and catch the smallest little sapling and just pick up on it, pulls it right out. Great thing about it pulls the root ball, everything up, so you don't have to worry about it growing back. Beats getting a pair of snippers out there, loppers, and lopping that stuff off. And that thing's done. That job makes it easy. Also, had a low hanging limb right there. I just reached up there and grabbed it. Same thing you'll see here. This cedar tree had a limb that was low hanging and half broke off, and I went ahead and took it down. That's a demonstration of how that fence post tree puller works. And I tell you what, I'm happy with it. I pulled a couple 2-3 inch trees behind my house yesterday when I first hooked it up just to see how it was going to do. They did a great job. But I found when I pick up on it, if I go on and go forward with it a little bit, it usually pulls it out, and I go backwards one more time, and I come back with it and pick up at the same time I'm pulling back, and that usually pulls it right out the ground. Y'all have fun on them tractors, make that work fun. But most of all, God bless y'all, and y'all have a good day. So till next time, y'all be cool.